Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Here I have for you the Nitrous outlet 90mm plate system for the 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS with either the LS3 or the L99 engines. This system will come with everything needed for an easy install and is nearly a direct bolt-on to your Camaro with the factory intake manifold. This throttle in a bottle is a wet nitrous plate system that is going to be great for those times that you need the power at a moment's notice. The system will come with a 90mm plate that will mount directly to your factory intake manifold and all the necessary hardware for a fairly simple install. The installation will require some wiring depending on how we want to activate the system. The lines and solenoids will mount directly in place, giving the underhood of your Camaro a new attitude. Out of the box, this system will have the capability to run anywhere from a 50 to a 200 shot. Now we do suggest to start off with a 100 shot on a stock car, but if you are built, then you can go ahead and throw a little bit more power at it. Referring to power, if you don't already know, the use of nitrous is limited to the bottle size and pressure. So it's a good thing that Nitrous Outlet will have you covered with their bottle size options. They have a 10-pound and a 15-pound bottle that are both powder coated a gloss black for a long-lasting finish. With a larger bottle and coincident pressure, the more nitrous runs we can get at our local track. The nitrous plate will provide perfect atomization with its 6 discharge ports, which will saturate the air intake charge, providing the best possible mixture. This plate does have a black anodized finish with the Nitrous Outlet logo in place. It will also be marked with the nitrous and fuel ports, making the installation easy when it comes to installing the lines in the correct location. These guys have taken out the guesswork with their kits and made it easy for you to install in your garage. Now, as stated before, the system will require a bit of wiring to ensure that it becomes active when we want it. There is a wide open throttle switch that allows the system to be activated when you are at full throttle. This safety feature will help in preventing lean spikes, which could ultimately cause engine failure if not done correctly. For the installation of this kit on our 2010 SS, we are going to be using some of the Nitrous Outlet accessories that are not part of the standard kit. We are going to go with their console switch panel that allows us to easily control the activation of the nitrous and other components like the heater. Also, we have the heated bottle bracket that will allow us to get the pressure built in the bottle and have it ready when we need it. Helping us keep an eye on the pressure is the Luminescent pressure gauge. This gauge glows in the dark so we can clearly read the display in any dark conditions. Now, to mount the bottle in the Camaro, Nitrous Outlet has developed a bracket that will mount in the trunk for easy bottle access. To keep us safe and legal for NHRA track use, we are also going to use the NHRA blow-off valve and a 3000 psi pressure disc. This kit prevents the bottle pressure from getting too excessive. Lastly, a key component is going to be the WinMax. This window switch will allow us to regulate the nitrous activation and replace the wide open throttle switch in the standard kit. We can set our RPM and TPS points to ensure that our kit is active when we want it to be. To wrap it up, nitrous can be a simple, easy way to make power when you want it, and when done right with the Nitrous Outlet products, it can be that fun to use throttle in a bottle. This information can be a lot to take in, everything from the plate system to the bottle size and all the way down to the accessories, but rest assured that Phastek can get you dialed in with everything you need to run safely. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the links in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.